Hi, today we're making a very quick egg recipe for breakfast. It's pepper jack eggs. And so we start with 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. And from there, we're going to use just a couple of slices of pepper jack cheese. And so I sort of crumble those up and add an eighth of a cup of green onion, and then just like a tablespoon or a few sprigs of oregano from the garden. And so I'm going to fry up with about a pat of butter, my oregano and my onions, and then I'm going to mix my pepper jack cheese into the eggs, as you can see here, and just sort of go ahead and fry those up. Now, because the cheese is melting in the eggs, it will take a minute for it to sort of cook through. And so I usually like them pretty well done. But when they're ready to go, you just serve them. I have them with a couple of sliced oranges. And again, this is a great weekday breakfast. It took about 15 minutes and I was out the door for work. So I definitely recommend it.